So right now I'm just brushing my eyebrow hairs in place with this spoolie. Alright, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to be using just a regular brow brush from Real Techniques to outline and shape my brows. Alright, so now I'm just filling in my eyebrows so that they can appear fuller and also be even. Alright, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn, and I'm also going to take my Morphe M432 to clean up my brows because I want them to look a lot neater, especially since I haven't had my brows done in a while, and I want to correct any mistakes that I may have made. Alright, these are my brows. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.